Is this overkill? Well, you guys tell me if it's overkill or not, because this is awesome stuff. Welcome back everyone, the Panda Photographer here, and this is my ultimate overkill mobile setup for my Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube content. But is it overkill? You guys let me know down in the comments, but let me give you a grand tour of what I'm going to be doing to this system. So, what I have here is an L bracket that has a 136 LED light source that will power the light at night when I want to document myself. And I got a Mactrem wide angle lens, and thank you Mactrem for sending this lens out to me. And this is going to push out the 1080p 60 frames and the 4K video quality. But I also got the camera hubs that are supporting the weight of the lens on the iPhone 6s and on the gimbal to balance out that weight evenly on the gimbal. So here we go. And then we have the L bracket that you see supported the shotgun microphone, and I'm going to add another shotgun microphone in the future. And I also got a L-shaped iPhone cable that will continuously power this iPhone 6s when I need power. So, and I got the Boya BY-MM1 cardio shotgun giving you guys audio. So without mobile there's no audio, so remember that. So, and then I also have it plugged up when I need the power to my iPhone 6s. But here's the question, is this overkill? Well, no, because I'm going to add more stuff to this, like another microphone and maybe something else to it to make it look more interesting. But this is the ultimate mobile setup. So if this is overkill, let me know down in the comments below. But this is the Panda Photographer. Eat, sleep, photography, audio file, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.